Welcome back, our socials at KBC Channel 1. Let's take you now to the United States, where President William Ruto has urged African nations to end reliance on external aid on critical issues such as healthcare. The head of state says that the African nations need to develop their own financing models that can ensure that the continent has access to capital that can build quality health infrastructure needed.
Speaking during the launch of the Program for Investment and Financing in Africa in New York, President William Ruto challenged African countries to take charge of their own destiny through breaking free from reliance of nations outside Africa on crucial services such as healthcare.
None of this can be sustained without rethinking how we fund these initiatives. Africa's rise depends on ensuring that our continent has access to capital that can build the healthcare infrastructure that we need.
Highlighting the need for Africa to create its own financing models, particularly for such critical sectors, the head of state criticized the current global economic framework as a relic that forces regions like Africa to restart from a position of disadvantage.
1.4 billion people that live in our continent, to have an organization that is accountable. And it is the reason why we are rethinking the Pan-African Parliament to provide more oversight over the Africa Union Commission.
President William Ruto at the same time lauded emerging partnerships that aim to revolutionize Africa's healthcare system, including AI-powered digital health wallets for all Africans, which he says are clear pathways for Africa's potential to become a global innovation leader.
There cannot be a better place to figure out health, education, and social services than in Africa, where the median age is 19 and a half. That is the place where education means everything. That is the place where health means a lot.
He, however, warned that such initiatives cannot thrive without rethinking their funding, calling on regional leaders to act to attract investment in social sectors like healthcare.
I am also dedicated to working with all of you to find the answers necessary for us to forge a new future.
John Kahiro, Prime Edition.